Welcome back to Turbo Trendz TV, the place where we bring you in-depth, no-nonsense reviews of the cars that are shaping the future. We dive into every curve, every panel line, every little detail, so you know exactly what you're getting before you even step into a showroom. Today, we're taking you through every angle, every feature, and every hidden gem of the all-new 2026 Geely Coolray. This isn't just another compact crossover in a crowded market. It's a bold statement from Geely, a brand that has been steadily raising the bar in style, performance, and value. So, grab a coffee, fasten your seat belts, and let's take a deep dive into what makes this SUV such a standout. Exterior. Right from the first glance, the Coolray radiates confidence. You don't just see it, you feel it. Parked in front of you, the stance is purposeful, the body lines are taut, and the whole vehicle seems to say, "I'm ready for anything." The front fascia is dominated by Geely's updated Energy Storm grille, a wider, sharper, and given a new mesh pattern that catches the light just right. It's a grille that balances aggression with elegance. Chrome accents are applied sparingly, in a way that highlights rather than overwhelms. This isn't flashy for the sake of it. This is carefully measured design. Flanking the grille are slim, high-intensity LED headlights. The DRLs carve out the bold signature, almost like an eyebrow raise that bears the road ahead. The sculpted bumper integrates functional air intakes, and these aren't just decorative. They actively channel air, improving both cooling for that turbocharged engine and aerodynamic efficiency at speed. Glide to the side profile, and the design shifts from aggression to flow. The Coolray's silhouette manages a clever balance between sporty and practical. There's a gentle slope to the roof line that whispers coupe-inspired styling, yet the overall height and stance still promise daily usability. The strong shoulder line is unbroken, running from the edge of the headlight all the way to the taillight cluster, giving the side view a sense of motion even when the car is parked. The dual-tone paint scheme works beautifully here, especially paired with the floating roof design that makes the cabin area look sleek and light. Those Tomahawk-style 18-inch alloys add a touch of flair without screaming for attention. Subtly flared wheel arches give the Coolray a more planted, capable look, like it's ready to handle an unexpected rough patch on the road. Side mirrors are positioned slightly lower than usual, improving aerodynamics and giving the driver better blind spot visibility. Now, swing around to the rear and the sporty theme continues. The LED taillights run horizontally with a distinctive 3D light signature that really pops at night. The Geely badge sits proudly between them, centered on a tailgate that's clean but sculpted enough to avoid looking plain. The integrated roof spoiler extends slightly more than before, helping to manage airflow at higher speeds. Below, the bumper houses dual exhaust outlets in polished chrome, reinforcing the Coolray's performance-ready personality. Everything at the back feels tightly designed, intentional, and in harmony with the rest of the car. Interior. Step inside, and the cabin instantly tells you that Geely didn't hold back. In fact, this interior feels like it belongs to a more premium class. The dashboard is completely redesigned, smoother lines, fewer cluttered controls, and a more driver-focused cockpit. Dominating the center is a 12.3-inch HD infotainment display with crisp graphics and intuitive menace. There's barely any lag, and the screen is angled just enough towards the driver to make it easy to glance at while on the move. In front of you is a 10.25-inch fully digital instrument cluster that can be customized for different driving moods, whether you want a sport-focused tachometer, navigation details, or a minimal night mode. The leather-wrapped steering wheel feels solid, with just the right thickness on premium stitching that hints at quality craftsmanship. The seats are a highlight, ventilated, leather-trimmed, and highly adjustable so you can fine-tune your driving position. Rear passengers aren't forgotten either. Legroom is generous for a compact SUV, and the flat-floor design makes the middle seat more usable. Overhead, the panoramic sunroof opens up the space, letting light flood in and giving every passenger a more open, airy experience. On the tech front, Geely has packed the Coolray with features that some rivals still offer only as expensive options. You've got wireless Apple CarPlay, a built-in wireless charging pad, and a high-definition DVR to record your journeys. The dual-zone climate control system is intuitive, with touch-sensitive controls that respond quickly. The audio system produces rich, well-balanced sound, making it perfect for both daily commutes and long highway runs. Every button, every surface, feels thoughtfully placed and solid to the touch. Performance, of course. A great cabin means little without performance to match, and the Coolray delivers. Under the hood sits a 1.5-liter turbocharged engine producing around 172 horsepower and 290 Nm of torque. Paired with the 7-speed wet dual-clutch transmission, gear shifts are lightning fast around 0.2 seconds, making acceleration feel smooth yet urgent. The 0-100 km/h time of roughly 7.6 seconds is impressive for its class, and there's a satisfying surge of power when you put your foot down. The steering is precise, with just enough weight to inspire confidence, and the suspension is tuned for that sweet spot between comfort and control. On city streets, it absorbs bumps with ease. On winding roads, it feels composed and stable. Fuel economy is another win, averaging about 5.8 liters per 100 kilometers, meaning you can enjoy its performance without frequent fuel stops. Safety is comprehensive. Standard features include adaptive cruise control, lane keeping assist, blind spot monitoring, a 360-degree camera, automatic high beams, and traffic sign recognition. These systems work smoothly in the background, enhancing driver confidence without feeling intrusive. Real-world feedback from owners has been overwhelmingly positive. Drivers praise the Coolray's refined ride, efficient fuel use, and the sheer amount of tech for the money. Many point out that it feels like a car from a higher price bracket, and that's the biggest compliment a budget-friendly SUV can get. Pricing varies by region, but in markets like the UE, the 2026 Coolray starts at around $75,500, a figure that undercuts many rivals while offering more standard equipment. That's where Geely is really shaking things up, giving buyers more for less, without cutting corners. At the end of the day, the 2026 Geely Coolray isn't just a smart buy, it's proof that affordable cars can be stylish, packed with tech, safe, and genuinely enjoyable to drive. Whether you're a young professional wanting something sporty yet practical, or a small family looking for comfort and peace of mind, the Coolray ticks all the right boxes. If you enjoyed this detailed look at the 2026 Geely Coolray, don't forget to hit that like button, subscribe to Trendz TV for more in-depth reviews, and drop your thoughts in the comments. Would you put the Coolray on your short list? Until next time, keep your wheels turning and your drives exciting.